Hi students, problem number 7. Given a resistance R1 is equal to 5.0 plus or minus 0.2 ohm and resistance R2 is equal to 10.0 plus or minus 0.1 ohm. What is the total resistance in parallel with possible percentage error? So two resistors R1 and R2 are given. When they are connected in parallel, what will be the possible value of Rp with error percentage we have to determine. Now you can see here the percentage, the error, possible error in R1 is given as 0.2 and the possible error in R2 is 0.1. Understand? So I will take the base value of R1 as 5 and the base value of R2 as 10. So R1 plus R2 is equal to this 5 plus 10. So this is a 5 plus a 10, that is equal to 15. Okay, 15 ohm. This value is a delta R1. Okay, this is a delta R1. Delta R1 is equal to 0.2 ohm. Similarly, delta R2 is equal to 0.1 ohm. Okay, 0.1 ohm. These are all given in the sum itself. Now, when two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, you must have derived an expression in the 10th standard. 1 by R parallel is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Or straight away, when two resistors are only given, we can straight away write that R parallel is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So this is the straight away shortcut formula. So I am going to substitute for R1 and R2. So this R1 into R2. So what is the R1? R1 is 5. So this is 5 into R2 is 10. So 5 into 10 divided by 5 plus 10. Okay, 5 plus 10. So this is equal to 5 tens are 50. Okay, 5 tens are 50 divided by 5 plus 10 is what? 15. So Rp is now equal to, again divisible by 5, 10 by 3. Okay, so this is 10 divided by 3. So we will take 3.3. So many digits will be recurring, but only two significant digits it can take. So it is 3.3 ohm. So this is the value of R parallel without the percentage error. Now we have to calculate the percentage error in the value of Rp. So percentage error in Rp is delta R parallel divided by R parallel into 100. Okay, delta Rp divided by Rp into 100. That is the percentage error in the calculation of Rp. So this is now equal to, you can look at this formula. This formula, left hand side I have taken delta Rp by Rp into 100. Like that 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. So I am going to find the percentage error on the right hand side. So it is delta R1 divided by R1 into 100. Okay, plus second term is percentage error in R2. So it is delta R2 divided by R2 into 100. And the third term is plus delta of R1 plus R2. So it is delta R1 plus delta R2. Okay, delta of R1 plus R2 I have taken. That means delta R1 plus delta R2 whole divided by R1 plus R2 into 100. These are in percentages. Okay, now what is the delta R1? Delta R1 is what? 0.2. So this now equal to delta R1 divided by R1. You see here delta R1 is 0.2 and R1 is equal to 5. So this is 0.2 divided by 5 plus delta R2. Delta R2 is how much? 0.1. So this is 0.1 divided by R2 is equal to how much it is? 10. So R2 is equal to 10 plus now delta R1 plus delta R2. Delta R1 is 0.2, delta R2 is 0.1. So this is equal to 0.3 because 0.2 plus 0.1 I have added, is it not? Delta R1 plus delta R2. So 0.2 plus 0.1 is 0.3 divided by R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2 is equal to 15. So this is equal to 15 and this is equal to what? This is 2 divided by 50. Okay, plus 1 divided by 100, 1 divided by 100 plus 3 divided by 150. Okay, so now this is equal to, so I can divide this 3 by 150. So this is divisible by 3. So this is 1 by 50, is it not? This can be written as 1 by 50. So this is equal to 2 by 50 plus 1 by 100 plus this is 1 by 50. So this is 1 by 50. Once again, this can be written as 4 divided by 100 plus 1 divided by 100 plus 1 by 50 can be written as what? 2 divided by 100. So you add all the numerators. 4 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to what? 7. 7 by 100. So this is equal to 7 by 100. That is equal to 7%. Okay, students. So the percentage error in the calculation of R parallel is found to be 7%. Therefore, the actual value of resistance, okay, the actual value of RP is equal to 3.3 ohm, okay, 3.3 ohm plus or minus 7%. So plus or minus 7%. This is the actual value of the effective resistance in parallel. Okay, which of the options will be correct? Let us see now. 3.3 ohm plus or minus 7%. So option B is the correct answer, this answer. So option B is the correct answer. Have you understood? Fine. Hi students. Problem number 8. The radius of a sphere is 4.3 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. The percentage error in its volume has to be determined. So here you see R equal to, okay, the radius is equal to, so R equal to 4.3 plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. So what is the delta R here? Delta R is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Okay. So percentage error in radius, percentage error in radius is delta R divided by R into 100. That is equal to, so delta R is 0.1. R is equal to 4.3. So this is equal to 0.1 divided by 4.3 into 100. Okay. Now volume V is equal to 4 by 3 pi into R cube. So now delta V by V. So delta V by V into 100. This is what? This is the percentage error in the volume. That only is asked, is it not? The percentage error in its volume is given by change in volume by original volume. That is relative error. Multiplied by 100 will give you the percentage error. So this is equal to, now 4 by 3 pi is constant. So R is raised to the power 3. We have already studied, no? This is power times the radius, is it not? Therefore this is 3 into, okay, 3 into delta, okay, R by R into 100, delta R by R into 100. So this is equal to 3 times delta R by R into 100 is already written here. So 0.1. So into 0.1 divided by 4.3 into 100. So this is the answer. So the options you see here 3 into 0.1 by 4.3 into 100. So the correct option is what? B. Have you understood? Okay.